Hello, this is Brad Harvey. Today's question that we're going to answer is, what are SPACs and are they a good investment option for me? The first question is, what is a SPAC? Well, it's an acronym, SPAC. We're hearing a lot about this in the news lately. A SPAC is a special purpose acquisition company. It works a little bit like an IPO. What you do is you put your money in the SPAC and then they go out and buy a private company, hoping that that company will transition and make some money and good use out of that equity capital. Sounds great on paper. And it's because of the limited amount of IPO availability that SPACs have come about. They started really in 2020 in relative obscurity and have really become the darlings of speculative investment on Wall Street. And there are many private companies out there that are looking at being acquired by a SPAC. It can be a step into the public markets. However, SPACs do carry special risks. They're typically issued at $10 a share, and if you pay more than that, you're not guaranteed to get your money back. In fact, even with the $10 a share, you may not get your money back. They're very complex instruments. In many cases, they come with a warrant, which is a right to buy the underlying company at a period of time, usually 2 years from the issuance. So you have a little bit of an option, and that way they sort of work like a convertible bond. However, these things are not rated like bonds, and they can trade wildly. I think at this point they are speculative and only available and appropriate to speculative investors. We thus far have not been big players in SPACs at all because I'm still waiting to see how they turn out. However, if you have a private company and you're being acquired by a SPAC, or a SPAC is knocking down your door to buy your company, they may be paying top dollar. So today's question that we answered is, what are SPACs and should I invest in them? Thank you. Thanks for visiting our channel. We hope you found the information valuable. If you want to see more videos about investing, please click to subscribe. If you have any questions you'd like for us to answer, please send us an email to harvey@riagroups.com. We would love your feedback.